I asked ChatGPT what are some quick and accurate methods to approximate the 12th root of 2.
To quickly and accurately approximate the 12th root of 2, here are several methods with varying levels of mental effort and accuracy.
Among these methods, I'm going to apply the Newton-Raphson method. It is a highly effective method when it comes to speed and accuracy. Let's travel into the tricks for approximating equation solutions. Let x be the 12th root of 2. That means x to the power of 12 equals 2. We want to approximate the solution to this equation. Here's the cool part. This isn't just a math exercise. In music history, musicians actually needed the solution to this equation to build the 12 equal temperament. The ratio of the frequencies of two adjacent tones raised to the power of 12 must be 2. Newton-Raphson method is a powerful tool for estimating the root of equations. It starts with an estimate. This is the formula. This is the given equation. This is the derivative of f of x. The current estimate of the root. The next estimate of the root. This calculation gives a better estimate. Repeat it a few times, and you will get very close to the true root. Let's apply to this problem. We defined f of x equals x to the power of 12 minus 2. So f prime of x equals 12x to the power of 11. Start with an initial guess, x1 equals 1. Plug it in. What do we get? The second approximation x2 is 1.0833. Its 12th power? About 2.613. There's a large error compared to 2, but don't be disappointed yet. Let's keep going. Substitute x2 here. And calculate. The third approximation x3 is 1.0595. Its 12th power? Around 2.007. Much closer. One more round. Substitute x3 here to compute again. The fourth approximation x4 is 1.0594. Try again. You get almost the same value. That means we've basically converged. Its 12th power? Nearly 2. It shows how powerful the Newton-Raphson method is. A rough guess becoming a highly accurate approximation in just a few steps. Let's try one more. The square root of 2. Let this be x. So f of x equals x squared minus 2. F prime of x equals 2x. Start with x1 equals 1. After just 3 iterations, we get about 1.4142. That's extremely close to the real value of root 2. From guesswork to precision so fast. That's the power of Newton-Raphson method. Simply amazing. Do you have another idea? Feel free to share it in the comments. Did you enjoy math traveling? Please subscribe for the next trip.